we have definite integral. So first step, to solve this integral, we have to check if our function is continuous. We cannot have 0 in denominator, and we calculate square root of positive or equals 0 numbers. So together we have to write that x must be greater than 0. We have interval, close interval from 1 to 4 is greater than 0, so everything is okay. Next, we need to write the integrand in a simpler form by carrying out the division. So let me rewrite integral symbol from 1 to 4 we have, and we will have 2x squared over x squared plus x squared times square root of x over x squared plus 5x over x squared. We have integral with respect to x. This is equal integral from 1 to 4, and in parentheses we will have square root x squared and x squared we can reduce, so it will be 2 plus square root of x, and square with x we can reduce, so it will be plus 5 over x, everything with respect to x. When we have integral of sum, we can rewrite this to sum of integrals. It means we have to find integral of 2, integral of square root of x, and integral of 5 over x with respect to x. Integral of 2 is 2x. Next, we have to change square root to power 4. Let me rewrite this here. We have square root of x, this is equal x to power 1/2. It means we have to find integral of power function. It will be in numerator x to power 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus, next we have to copy constant 5 first, and we have 1 over x. Integral of 1 over x with respect to x is equal natural logarithm of absolute value of x. Instead of writing plus constant, because we have definite integral, we have to write vertical bar. On the top we have to put upper limit 4, and on the bottom we will put lower limit 1. This is equal. Let me simplify this. It will be 2x plus, we have in the numerator 3 over 2, so we have to flip this fraction, so it will be 2 over 3 times x to power 3 over 2 plus 5 natural logarithm of absolute value of x. We have vertical bar from 1 to 4. This is equal. Next step, we have to plug in upper limit first. It means we have to replace x's by 4. First, let me put this in parentheses. It will be 2. We have times 4 plus 2 over 3 times 4 to power 3 over 2 plus 5 natural logarithm of absolute value of 4 minus, we have to subtract the lower limit is 1, so we have to replace x's now by 1. We have to put this in parentheses because we have negative sign before, so there will be 2 times 1 plus 2 over 3 times 1 to power 3 over 2 plus 5 natural logarithm of absolute value of 1. This is equal. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 over 3 we have, and we have 4 to power 3 over 2, so it is square root of 4 to third power is 64, square root of 64 is 8, and we have plus 5 times natural logarithm of 4, because absolute value of 4 is 4, minus, and we have in parentheses 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 over 3 times 1 is 2 over 3 plus 5 times natural logarithm of 1 is 0 times 0. So this is equal. We have 8 plus 16 over 3 plus 5 natural logarithm of 4 minus will be 2 minus 2/3 we can write, and 5 times 0 is 0. So this is equal. We have 8 minus 2 is 6, and we have 16 minus 2 will be plus 14 over 3, and we have plus 5 natural logarithm of 4. This is equal. We can change to mixed numbers, so it will be 6 plus 14 divided by 3 is 4 and 2/3 plus 5 natural logarithm of 4. This is equal. We have 10 and 2/3 plus 5 natural logarithm of 4. This is my solution.